How to redeem Hyatt Club Access Award. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Hyatt Club Access Award. For this, open up any web browser and head over to world.hyatt.com. Here, you want to sign into your account first. Go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Enter your email address. Then tap on the sign in option, or you can tap on sign in with password. Here, enter your membership number, your last name, and then your password and tap on the sign in option. World of Hyatt members can earn Club Access Awards through the loyalty program's Milestone Rewards. Once earned, Club Access Awards provide eligible members with entrance to a hotel's lounge when available, which can be particularly valuable in some circumstances. Once earned, Club Access Awards can be redeemed to provide entrance to a hotel's club lounge for the entire length of a stay up to maximum of 7 days. Club lounges at applicable Hyatt hotels features perks like breakfast, snacks, and dinner throughout the day. If you would like to make use of Club Access Award, you will want to check to make sure that the Hyatt hotel you want to book has a club lounge and that it's open during your stay. If you want to redeem World of Hyatt Club Access Award, you cannot redeem it online. Instead, you will have to call the World of Hyatt to apply the award while booking your stay or after you have made your booking. Club Access Awards can only be redeemed for stays booked in the World of Hyatt points, Pay My Way bookings, or an eligible cash rate, which includes Hyatt preview bookings. Unfortunately, you cannot apply a Club Access Award to stay booked with a free night award. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.